How to get invisible username on Discord. Welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you the procedure on how to get invisible username on Discord. To do it, so you have to follow these steps. Open up your browser, type in discord.com and log into your account. As logged in, what next you want to do is come to the username, or you just want to go ahead and click on user settings. As you do it, so then you want to come to display name. As you can see, I already have an invisible Discord username. So what you have to do is you just have to make sure to copy this out. That is, you need two inverted commas. Make sure that you have a gap between this, and exactly how it is, you could also copy it from my description box below. And once you've made changes, you want to click on the save button and then refresh it. That's how you could get an invisible username on Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.